Hello everybody, 2024 Bowman Sapphire, 2 boxes, PYT number 31. This is a fresh case. We're on to a fresh case now. We have 5 teams left, 10 spots. The top 5 will draft. Let's just go over how many people are in here. YJ for 1, All Sports for 3, Karam for 2, then 1 more, so that's 3. YJ accidentally sent too much, so he said just grab me another spot, so that's where he is here. And True Duck Fan rounds it out with 2. Good luck to everyone. We'll roll the dice. It's a 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck. At 9, you're looking to be in the top 5. 8 and 9. There you go. YJ, Karam, Ducky, Chad, YJ. 5 plus 4? 9? 9. And that is how it goes. YJ with the top spot. Congrats, YJ. We going Nationals, YJ? Probably. You just let me know, YJ. I'll just pencil you in for them. I assume you'll want them. It's a good team. Given that, I'm going to assume Karam is going to go for the Yanks here. You just let me know, YJ. Nats and Yankees. Well, hold on here. Hold on. Karam's going to get the Yankees. True Duck Fan, you let me know where we're at. You got the 5th spot though, YJ. So you'll probably take the Giants. Sox for True Duck. To Chad. I think I know where Chad's going. You let me know, Chad. Drunk. And the Blue Jays actually go down to YJ. Nope. YJS. Thank you. Is it YJSJ? No, it's YJF. YJSF. All right. Good luck to everyone. Here we go. Thank you to everyone to help fill it. Apologize to those who missed. Everyone got a spot. That is good. Let's grab the first 2 boxes. First 2 boxes. Box Sapphire. This will be 31 to 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35. Beautiful. Yeah, please do, Karam. That would make everything a lot easier. Guys, all of you go and do that, what Karam just said. It would make everyone's job easier. Everyone go. Please use the max amount of characters, special characters, the whole 9. Good luck, boys and girls. Here we go. 2 boxes. Bowman Sapphire. I'm so glad we got this out. I'm going to try a little test here. I'm going to send as text message. What the heck's going to happen? Is this computer going to explode or something? Let's send the text message. You guys let me know if you get it. Oh, God. Oh, my God. I literally just got a total... Actually, that's very true. Thank you, Karam. The computer almost just blew up. So I'll never be hitting that button again. The computer literally almost just blew up. That was, like, actually scary. I'm not even sure. If I'm able to even show you guys, that would be funny. It basically was like, you better... Yeah. Exactly, Duck. Data messages and rates may apply. Rates may apply. Everyone gets their phone bill. Everyone's charging backer because everyone's phone bill is just out of this world. So far, 1 yellow. Here we go. Green here in this handful of Asian ball. Yeah. Oh. Okay, now I'm definitely going to figure out how this text message thing works. Imagine. Imagine. What was that? Your break is ready. Who is she? Who was that? Uh-oh. That would be a disaster. That would be a disaster. Trey Morgan yellow. Khakis? What's she wearing? Jake from State Farm. Khakis? Can we get color in this box? Walker Jenkins base. You better give us a... serve us a meatball here. Green auto. Luke Adams for the Brewers and Karam out of 99. They call him Puke Luke. Puke Luke. Bro. Where's it? Okay, at least it's Sebi. We'll take Jordan and Sebi on our yellow. See ya. Non here. Sapphire selections, non of Jenkins and the Twins to the 1. I'm the 1. Okay. Why does this case hate us so far? Why do they not want to help us out here? What's going on? JD Gonzalez for the Padres out of 75. Give us a meatball. Give us a big one. Golds. Roderick Arias. Roderick Arias and the Yankees to Karam. Cruz base. Green non. Arias for the Giants and Chad. Nice little heavy metal to sleep to. Rock a, little lullaby. Little Deftones and Thrice lullaby. Always puts me to sleep. Skeens base. Green might be our auto. It is. It's a Duck fan on the filler. I don't think I've seen more autos in a 24-hour period than I have for AC Slater. AC Slater is just all over this. HTA, Hobby, Sapphire. No, Chris. No. Yeah, AC is haunting us. Haunting us. Here's your recap, ladies and gentlemen. Sapphire selections: Walker, Jenkins. Greens, yellows, Walcott, Trey Morgan. gold and yellow of Aradric Arias. 2 autos. We had AC Slater here, green. And we had Luke Adams, green for Karam. And the Milwaukee Brewers, that was 2024. Bowman Sapphire, 2 boxes, PYT number 31. Thanks.